Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky, the Trekkie. We're going on a roller coaster we've never been on before. Yeah. It's called the Cyclone. We're here at Indiana Beach in 2024. I think it's about 98 years they've been open. And we'll bring you on more point of view on the coaster, and you'll get to see what we get to see, and then we'll stick with this afterwards. We'll let you know what we think. But this is one of the older style, kind of like Coney Island style mouse coasters. It's just got a single car. I think 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And we'll see what it looks like. It's right down here under the triple slides.
Undershirt, and I got my green Thunderhead shirt.
You're in a good idea with the multiple shirts today because it's so windy. It's not bad though. It's a nice
when I was at Holiday World last year, I ended up with 3 different coaster shirts on.
Oh yeah.
I had my Lightning Rod shirt on. I had my Lightning Run shirt on.
Yeah.
And I had a Voyage shirt on along with my undershirt.
Have you been on Nighthawk?
Carowinds, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. It's pretty decent.
The first time we rode that, it was terrifying. I thought, just like, holy smokes.
My first flying coaster was Batwing.
Batwing? Oh, in Texas?
No, the one at Six Flags America. It's Nighthawk's.
Oh.
It's the Nighthawk's near clone.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Ben. All right. Are you in it? I'm in it. Okay.
Cool.
We're in. All right, everybody, we're good. Thumbs up. This is Cyclone, Indiana Beach. We got Steven in the front row here. This is your, what, 83rd ticket punch?
Somewhere in the 90s.
Oh, and you're in the 90s? He'll have to calculate. He's got 3 more coming up after this, so he's almost to 100. And here we go, everybody. Cyclone. I think this coaster's over 100 years old, isn't it?
No.
Just about? No one knows? Okay, Becky, I don't know if this is going to throw us or what. We're going to see. Here we go. Okay. Oh! Woo! That was a good first drop. This thing runs. Ah! I'm hopping up and out of the seat. Keep your hands in tight on this. Woo! Oh man! Here we go. he's got the short hands up for the safety. oh! Woo! Without that little break right there, that would have been something. Oh wow, and we're back home. Wow, okay. So they let you out down here and then they move the train forward. I guess that's what it is. So. All right. Interesting. Okay, we're out. Okay. We'll see you for the wrap. All right, fellow travelers, a bonus for the Cyclone today. We have a new fellow traveler here, Steven. He's a coaster enthusiast. He told us more about roller coasters than we knew in line. Got to ride with him on the train. What'd you think of the ride, man?
Well, I've ridden a few other Galaxies. That one seems to be a little smoother and faster than the other, so I'd say that's a pretty solid one. It's had a little surprise floater on the little rise into the first helix. That's pretty zippy.
I gotta say, I had 2 floaters on that ride. I had to like pull myself back in the seat. I thought, oh my goodness. He had like the short arms up. Brilliant, because oh man, is that tight in there around those helixes between the guide bars and everything like that. So if you're super tall on this, do not stick your arms all the way up on that, because you might get like a little finger slap on the steel there. But I'm gonna give this like an 8 out of 10. Really, this is one of the smoother coasters of this type that I've been on in my life, really. And 2 great drops in there. I had a great time. What did you think, Becky?
Yeah, definitely a great ride on that. Like how you guys said, well, definitely great.
All right. Had a great ride. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and we'll see all our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.